Hello everyone, welcome to Jwell Machinery. I'm Cassie. Today I will show you one of our companies, Dyun Environmental Technology Company.
Dyun is specialized in development, design, manufacture, and sales of machinery for environmental protection and recycling industries.
Hello everyone, my name is Mondi from Jwell Machinery. Today we invite our sales manager named Lora to help us introduce the products of Dyun. Hello Lora.
Hello Mondi.
Can you help us to introduce the products of Dyun for our audience?
My pleasure. Hello everyone, my name is Lora. Today I want to introduce our company's product to you. Dyun is specialized in waste plastic recycling machinery. We have 5 series of hot sales products. Number 1, shredding machinery. Number 2, crushing machinery. Number 3, washing line. Number 4, single screw pelletizing machine. Number 5, twin screw compounding machine.
If you want to know more details, leave your comments. Bye bye!